Hello and welcome back to SciTech Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take an old CRT TV and turn it into a retro lamp with using an Arduino Nano and a WS2812 Neopixel RGB LEDs. Let's get started. And these are the items that you're going to need to make for this project. The items you're going to need is an old CRT, an Arduino Nano, a WS2812 Neopixel, a 9-volt battery, a 9-volt battery clip, and a push-button lock switch, and some wires. Now let's go ahead and assemble this project, and let's get started. I have right here this old CRT TV, and what I've done is a slight modification to it. This part here is where there was a flyback transformer that was connected to it, and what I did is I took the screwdriver and just simply punched out this piece of glass that was inside. Doing that leaves a big opening, and the inside is completely hollow, so that way I can take that Neopixel and shine the LED light inside. Next, I'm going to solder 10 the leads that's on the Neopixel. Next, I'm going to take the Arduino Nano and connect this 9-volt battery clip to it. I'm going to connect the negative to ground, solder it into place, and then take the positive and solder it to the VIN, which is voltage input. And with an Arduino Nano, the input voltage is between 7 to 12 volts. Next, I'm going to take these 3 wires and connect it to the Arduino Nano. Blue wire will go to ground, solder it into place. The green wire will connect to 5 volts, solder it into place, and then the yellow wire will connect to D6, which is digital pin 6. Solder it into place, and there, all the wires are now connected. Next, I'm going to solder tin all of the wires. There we go, just like this. Next, I'm going to take the Neopixel and then solder these wires to it. Solder the blue wire to ground, green wire to 5 volts, yellow wire to the digital input. And there we go, it should look just like this. Now, let's go ahead and test it out. I'm going to take the 9-volt battery and connect it to the 9-volt battery connector. And there, the circuit works. Next, I'm going to take the Neopixel and place it right here into this hole. Before I do that, I want to put some hot glue to insulate the circuit and to make it stay in place. Place it in just like this. Put more hot glue to hold it into place better. Next, I'm going to take some electrical tape to cover up the hole so that way it can concentrate the light better. Next, I'm going to take some hot glue and place it onto the Arduino Nano. And I'm going to take the Arduino Nano and glue it right here. Next, I'm going to take some hot glue and put it onto the 9-volt battery. There we go, and glue the 9-volt battery into place. Next, I'm going to connect the 9-volt battery clip to the 9-volt battery. And now what I want to do is connect this push button lock switch. Next, cut the positive wire. Remove the insulation. Solder tin it. And now solder tin the push button lock switch. And I'll solder the positive wires to the push button lock switch. There we go, should look just like this. And now I'm going to go and take some hot glue and glue down the switch. Place it in just like this. And there, the project is now complete. And as you can see, the circuit is now complete. And now let's see how this looks in the dark. And as you can see, this looks really amazing in the dark. This phosphorus coating allows the LED light to disperse evenly and allows the sides to glow evenly. Looks very nice. This gives it a very interesting old retro feel of an old TV. In fact, this gives it a very interesting sci-fi effect. I really like this, and it's actually very relaxing. And there you have it. Now you know how to make your very own CRT TV with an Arduino Nano and a WS2812 Neopixel to create a really interesting retro lamp. Thank you for watching Sci-Hi Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified for future Sci-Hi Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.